Hey everyone! Upgrading to Windows 11 in 2026 on an unsupported PC is easier than it sounds. You don't need to buy a new computer or wipe your hard drive. By using a tool called Rufus, we can trick the installer into skipping the TPM and secure boot checks while keeping all your files exactly where they are. Step 1. Get the Windows 11 ISO. We are starting with the official Microsoft download. We do this to ensure your operating system is genuine and secure. Go to the Microsoft Windows 11 download page. Scroll down to Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO, select the Multi-Edition, choose your language, and hit Download. This is a large file, approximately 6 gigabytes, so make sure you have a stable connection. Step 2. Prepare the bypass media with Rufus. Now we are using Rufus, a free tool that modifies the installer. This is the magic step that removes the hardware restrictions. Download and open Rufus. Insert a USB drive around 8 gigabytes plus. Select your USB drive under Device and your downloaded ISO under Boot Selection. Click Start. A pop-up titled Windows User Experience will appear. Ensure you check Remove Requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0. Click OK. Step 3. Run the In-Place Upgrade. We are finishing inside Windows 10 File Explorer. We do this to perform an in-place upgrade, which moves your files and apps to the new OS without formatting. Open your USB drive in File Explorer and double-click setup.exe. When the installer opens, click Change How Setup Downloads Updates and select Not Now. This prevents the installer from trying to recheck your hardware online. Follow the prompts, and when you reach the Ready to Install screen, verify it says Keep Personal Files and Apps. Hit Install. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.